Hey guys, welcome to my channel again. I'm just gonna do a quick unboxing video, and I'm gonna do a review afterwards because I received two packages today. This one and this big one. I think this one I ordered a long time back. I'm still waiting for some of the orders. I already tried to message the seller, and they say it's still in transit, and I haven't checked the status of the package. I just tried to forget about them because it's too long. It's been like almost 2 months. So let's open this. I was hoping this one was the one I ordered that actually reads your it reads your mind. Like it's gonna be reading like an EEG that reads the signals coming out of your brain and converts it to electrical signals that controls some games on the computer. It's quite interesting. It's like telekinesis. Yeah, and yes, this is the one. Alright, so you can let's open this. Well, it's in Chinese, so I can't read it. Yeah, so you can actually use this to control. I got the one that's Bluetooth because there's another one. It's a cheaper version of this that is it's running on RF signal. So I didn't get that one. So I wanted to use Bluetooth so I can use over the phone, or I could use like probably control a small robot using Bluetooth and running on Arduino. So yeah, so it's like from your brain to your phone. Okay, yeah. So anyway, it's Mindwave Bluetooth. So yeah, it sends to your phone. Only there's some games included in it. So not to include, you can download. Probably, I don't know. Okay, yeah, there it is. So I think this is the receiver. Anyway, I'm gonna read the manual. Okay, it's just some write-ups from the seller, from Jason, and this is it. Okay, it's stuck there pretty good. So how do you open this thing? It's already open. Okay, we'll just cut this one. Cut it. Okay, so actually I found this game that actually uses this kind of technology. It's an old game. It reads your signals coming up your brain, and then it controls a ball across a rail going forward and back, and then whoever has like the greater signal, the ball will actually go to the opposite side. So it's like a mind challenge game. How does... Okay, alright, never mind. Just need to pull the plastic out of here to get it. So it looks like this. Yeah, it looks like that. So this one, okay, the batteries go inside here, and this one is just adjustable, so you can strap it over your head, and then you're gonna clip this ground part here to your ears. Okay, so hopefully this works. I'm not gonna test it today. So okay, so it's gonna look like that. So this one goes to your forehead like that, and then the ground thing goes to your ear. Okay, so yeah, it looks like that. Alright, so we're gonna test that soon, or probably I'm gonna show it maybe part of this video. see how this works. It's from Mindwave. And anything else that comes with it? Oh, actually, this is not the receiver. This is the okay. This is maybe the instruction manual is inside, or probably some of the games inside is in here. We'll see, because it says like disc and oh yeah, that's it. Okay, there's no manual, so I will be expecting that it's inside here. This is from Neurosky. So yeah, let's do some mind reading. Okay, so enough of this one. We're gonna go with the this actually really is interesting. I really like this stuff. I'm not sure if it's real or not. I'm gonna prove it in my next video. Okay, so let's just put it on the side. Let's take this one. This one says RC car, RC component, but I didn't know how it arrived so early because I ordered it just recently. This is from Bangood, if it's correct. Wow, yes it is. I ordered this from Bangood like a few days back, and it's here. Amazing. And yeah, this one was actually split into different shipments. I don't know why. Maybe they don't have stock in there. Okay, this is actually yeah, because I was trying to build this small RC car from Aldi, and actually I broke it because it was too fast and the battery was so heavy. The momentum actually damaged it when I hit the obstacle. So what I have here, oh, box is damaged. So I have this Mini 1:28 scale RC car. So yeah, I didn't expect it to arrive so early. And this one is a mini crawler. So wanted to drive around the house during this quarantine period, so that's why I got it. Okay. And yeah, this receiver part that I stuck into the okay, let's just open this. This is the Mini Q, and I ordered the okay, it's a all-wheel drive kit. I ordered the Evolution body. That's Evo 9, I think, if I remember correctly. It's either 9, 7. Let's see. Let's open it. Okay, so it says here, kit set for the education of RC cars. Okay. So it's supposed to have a remote control, receivers, everything inside. Okay, we have the manual. And I thought it's a kit. I thought I have to assemble it. Okay, so we have the radio and the steering. It looks like a steering wheel. So this is the only thing that I'm gonna assemble. So, oh, that's strange. So it's not. Do I have to glue this on? Because yeah, it's just like that. Just need to insert it. That's all. It has a gyro. Oh, not bad. Proportional. We have the steering adjustments. Bind button is inside. You have to use a toothpick to press it. And so you can test this as well. Oh, but the battery is spring loaded. You just need to press this button to eject the battery. It's like a magazine of a gun. So I thought it's a kit that I have to assemble, but it's already pre-assembled. Everything's inside. I chose the white one. It looks like an Evo 7. I don't know. I think it is. Okay, I chose the white one so I can paint it. And okay, supposed to be some, like, for the brake lights behind, supposed to be glass here. It's just molded plastic and it's not even flush, like it's indented. Probably I'll find something to put that something on there. So okay, it comes with a screw on. Okay, let's get rid of this one. Box. Okay. And how do you take this off? Oh, manual. Okay. There is a manual, but how do you take this off? So small. I'm gonna compare it with the one I have. So it needs 2 batteries only. It's too small. And it comes with drift tires, plastic tires, and yeah, it's the cheap blue plastic. And how do you take this off?
How do you remove body? How it doesn't even show that it comes with a body. It's just this one. Don't break it. We have to unscrew this. Maybe there's some easier way to get it.
Oh, okay. So it's it goes into this rubber, and then you just need to slide it out. Yeah, there's a rubber part here with some holes. You just need to pull it out, and then you have to insert it in the front part here. So, oh, there's a free hair. I don't know who owns this hair. Okay, that's strange. Who would do this? Put an F on the, I don't know if it's clear, like that. See, like an F on the glass there. I mean, plastic. So this is it. So I guess this is where you plug in the batteries. The receivers here. So it's okay, differentials are locked. Okay, so yeah, it's everything's plastic. So this one is tied down to this. So it needs 4 AA batteries to power it up. Then you plug in the power here. So we have the servo. Oh, the servo has, actually you can change the servo to a normal one. This one has like a lot of wires in it, so it's not like the real servo. And you can't adjust the toe in or anything. You can't adjust it, it's fixed. So the front is the same as the rear. It has spring suspension independently, all sides. It's 4-wheel drive all time, and yep, differentials are locked all the way. Okay, so I thought it comes in a kit, so yeah, we're gonna test it, see how it runs. Okay, so alright, let's go to this off-road. So this sounds like it's a kit, so I have to assemble it. That one is pre-assembled, so it's ready to run. So probably I'll make a build video on this one. I always wanted to make like a time-lapse video of me building something. Yeah, so this is a kit. I'll make a separate video for each one of it before I can test them. Okay, so alright, the transfer case with the okay, yeah, with the motor, it's here.
Okay, so we have the interior parts, steering wheel, wiper, everything on this. And the differential assembly, servo of horns. And we have, okay, the steering assembly. And we have this empty plastic. So it could be from this one. Okay, and yeah, I found a servo. Hey, wide servo, so it's a normal one. What size is this? Mini servo. And we have the front part of the body. It's a pickup truck. And this is the bed, the one in the rear. And we have the, comes together that the rear part for the pickup truck. And we have the part of the chassis, which is steel. We have the packets of screw. Okay, we have two of these. And the tires are really soft. And they look nice. It's like real off-road tires. And we have the glass. I mean, yeah, that's part of the rear shell here. So yeah, we're going to install that in the back. And we have some grease. 2 LEDs for the lights, probably we'll install more. And I believe this is a battery connector. Yep. Okay, so I thought this one came with the radio control and battery, but unfortunately it didn't. I don't know, maybe. Well, anyway, it's a kit, so you wouldn't expect me a radio or battery in it. So, yep, we're gonna add a skip on there, so.
Anyway, well, that's all for today. I'm gonna make some videos and build videos on this one, and some videos with this one running. I'm gonna put a camera on top here so I can drive around the house with the FPV goggles, or maybe do some drifting with it. I don't know, we'll see. And so anyway, and before I forget, I'd like to thank you guys for watching my videos and subscribing to my channel. And if you haven't subscribed already, just click the subscribe button and also the bell button so you'll receive any notification if I have a new video. I just reached 4,000 subscribers. I'm so happy about it. So if you like this kind of videos, just let me know in the comments below what kind of videos you like. And thank you guys for your support. Hopefully we'll build this channel together. That's all for now, guys. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you in the next video. Have a good day.